welcome to the world of UFX Imagine, where the entertainment never stops. If you're an entertainment junkie, believe me, your world will never be the same again. Because today, I'm gonna spill the beans on UFX Imagine. A trendy name for a very nice looking piece of equipment, but then again, UFX Imagine holds the world in its hands. From music to movies, from e-learning to e-commerce, UFX Imagine holds the key to all this and a whole lot more. An exaggeration? Park that thought and hear me out. This is the age of instant gratification. We want everything and now. So who has the patience to wait in a queue for tickets to a movie or your favorite album only to find out that it's sold out? UFX has powered a new technology, the next generation e-box that's the answer for all of you who are starved for new and exciting entertainment. From the UF Group bouquet comes another path-breaking product on the same lines of its digital cinema technology, UFX Imagine. A pretty device all set to change your living room and take you beyond a world of disbelief. UFX Imagine is a multimedia device which brings you the best of movies, the best of internet, the best of food and more. UFX Imagine was developed by a Malaysian-based company called Select TV in partnership with the world's leading chipset maker, Intel Technologies. The e-box basically does not have any native storage devices like a hard disk, which means all the content played on the box will be streamed from a server and the box does not remember or store any of the content being played. This helps to protect movies from being pirated. Once you switch on the box, it takes you to the main page. The main page has 5 divisions on the lower bottom of the screen. On the top of the screen towards your right, it displays the clock with your local time, date and year. This is an indication that the box is connected to the internet to function properly. The 5 divisions on the lower part of your home screen are videos, music, photos, apps and lifestyle. Have you ever noticed the amount of time you spend browsing through various videos on the internet? Be it on Google, YouTube, Facebook or anything else that catches your fancy? Now thanks to UFX Imagine's advanced technology, you can browse through thousands of user-generated videos with no buffer time. You can also upload, share and comment on your favorite videos. Once we go into videos, you can find the various applications available under videos. Presently, our video section consists of the following options. The box will have to be updated from time to time as we will keep updating the box with new content and new applications. My Videos. My Videos is basically for viewing your favorite videos or movies stored in your pen drive, or you can even insert your hard disk to view your favorite videos. If you're a movie buff like me, let me assure you that UFX Imagine's Movies on Demand is the best place on earth. Where else can you access over 3,000 different movies across various genres and covering over 36 different languages? Besides this, the server updates the latest films to bring you that first day, first show experience at all times. So say goodbye to standing in long queues and houseful signs. On demand. Imagine Movies. This is the main feature of Imagine and the biggest money spinner in the whole system, as we charge only for these services. 1. Movie on demand. 2. E-learning facilities and utility services. Once you enter into your movie on demand, it shows you the movie list in an arranged manner. The left-hand side of the screen has all the information of the movie like language, price, duration, year of release and the time remaining. The extreme right corner consists of details about the cast of the movie and the rating. The center screen has the movie poster and a synopsis of the storyline. You can also browse movies by genre, by year of release, by your favorite actor and of course by languages. Now through Imagine, you need not wait for theatre tickets to watch a new movie. You can watch your latest movie that just hit the screens with your family and friends through Imagine. You can also browse through the list of television channels offered through Imagine and enjoy watching your latest drama series, TV shows and many more. YouTube. YouTube brings to you the world of user-generated video content right into your living room. The top 10 videos are prominently displayed every time you open YouTube. You can also browse further to view the next top 10 videos. Or you can search for your favorite videos by clicking the up button, click on search and type the video name and click OK. It brings out the top 10 videos relating to this search. Click on your favorite video and it plays. You can even add it to your favorite list so you don't have to search for the video every time. You can even share the video on Facebook or Twitter by using the share button. Men Matters. Men Matters brings you exclusive videos regarding information on men's lifestyle. FHM. You can watch the latest videos and clips on men's fashion, photo shoots, the latest trends in menswear, fashion tips, etc. through Imagine FHM. Car Magazine TV. Britain's oldest monthly motoring magazine is the UK's best and fastest online motoring news, providing a constant stream of scoops, first drives and official pictures of new cars. Women's World. Women's World brings you the latest videos and information on fashion and beauty, fashion tutorials, health and pediatric information. Style Hall. Catch up on the hottest fashion news. Modern Mum features smart, practical tips and advice on parenting, kids, pregnancy, recalls, family, cooking, careers, health, wellness, beauty and how-tos. Fashion News Live. Exclusive video footage from backstage, pink carpet, pre-show interviews and fashion shows. Luxy Hair. The place to find the best hair tutorials, hair advice and much more. Entertainment. Vimeo. Vimeo is a respectful community of creative people who are passionate about sharing the videos they make. Vimeo provides the best tools and highest quality videos. Funny or Die. Funny videos, funny pictures and funny jokes. Boyce Avenue. Upcoming acoustic bands with covers from great artists. Empire Online. Watch interviews, clips and trailers of the world's biggest and best movie magazine. Imagine Movie Trailers. Imagine Movie Trailers brings you the trailers of all the latest movies to your living room. The top 10 trailers are prominently displayed every time you open YouTube. Kids Stuff. Kids Stuff provides you with the latest animation videos, clips, favorite cartoon characters and cartoon series from the golden age of animation. Disney Animation. This is the official channel for Disney Animation, the latest Disney animation clips and promo videos. Sesame Street. Best classic Sesame Street video clips featuring the Cookie Monster, Big Bird, Grover, Oscar, Elmo and friends. Home and Cooking. Expert Village. Informative videos from trusted experts to provide answers to everyday questions. Ehow Food. Satiate your curiosity about new cuisine, seek inspiration for tonight's dinner, or simply cook to sharpen your knife skills. Homemade Simple. Inspiration tips for everyday life, from quick cooking tips to home organizing and decorating ideas. Everything you need to create a cozy home. Chow. Your home for recipes, restaurant reviews, food videos and how to cook on the web. Pop diva Rihanna's plea when Please Don't Stop the Music. And with Groove Shark on Imagine, the music plays on and on. Besides Groove Shark, which has a huge library, you also have access to over 3,000 live radio stations from around the world. So whether you like pop or rock, jazz or trance, you can also sing along with our karaoke option while you shake a leg. Music, My Music. You can access your personal music collection in this feature. Groove Shark Music. Enjoy the largest music collection on the web. You can search for your favorite song using Groove Shark just by using the name, genre, artist, etc. Shoutcast Radio. Enjoy the largest collection of online radio stations. Icecast Radio. More online radio stations for your enjoyment. Upload your favorite pictures on Picasa and Flickr as well. All this is made possible in real time. From social networking to video conferencing, UFX Imagine has it all. Photos. My Photos. Access to your personal photo collections. Flickr. Show off your favorite photos and videos to the world securely through Flickr. Certainly the best online photo management and sharing application in the world. Picasa. Picasa on Imagine allows you to upload, view, organize, share and also edit photos for your online albums. An app a day keeps boredom away. You heard me right. Dr. Imagine brings you the App Store, which enables users to download the best apps. Wherever you are, stay connected with your friends and family through Facebook, Twitter and Skype and use your favorite apps on Imagine. Apps. Facebook. You can stay connected with your loved ones, friends, colleagues and people living around you through the Facebook app on Imagine. Twitter. You can instantly connect to what's important to you. Everyone wants to know what's happening in the world around them. That's right, I am talking about the news exclusive on UFX Imagine. Choose from a variety of leading news channels like Bloomberg, Google News, CNN and many more. From technology to business, from fashion to politics, UFX Imagine has it all. Google News. Stay updated with minute-to-minute update on what's making news around the world through our Google News app. OMG Entertainment News. The latest news on movie releases, box office reports, celebrity news and gossip is possible now instantly through Imagine's OMG application. Yahoo Sports News. All the sports news, scores, rumors, fantasy games and many more on Imagine's Yahoo Sports. CNN Top News. Catch all the latest story headlines and briefs on cable news networks Headline News. TechCrunch. TechCrunch app offers technology news and analysis as well as a profiling of startup companies, products and websites. Imagine allows you to browse through a list of hotels, restaurants, resorts and pubs, plan and book your holidays, pre-order your food menu and even buy gifts for your loved ones. Imagine makes travel easy and effortless and even helps you to pay your utility bills. Lifestyle. Pizza Hut. Order your favorite food menu from India's most trusted restaurant brand Pizza Hut through UFX Imagine, which serves a wide online menu of pizzas, pastas, starters, drinks, soups, salads and desserts across 34 cities. AirAsia. You can book online for Southeast Asian destinations through AirAsia online booking on Imagine. Imagine is not all about entertainment. It's the perfect balance of fun and learning as well. Call it infotainment if you would. The e-learning facilities installed in the e-box create an interactive learning platform for all ages, right from the preschool level to the postgraduate. Preparatory content for certain professional courses are also available and can be accessed with the use of an iCash card. I know what you're thinking, this sounds like an expensive affair. Well, abort that thought right now and take a look at these amazing prices that are bound to make you smile. Toast to UFX Imagine, a toast to endless entertainment. Buy your UFX Imagine today.
இது ஒரு இனிய நிகழ்ச்சி, ஒரு இனிய துவக்கம்.
இவரோட அந்த புதிய முயற்சி ரொம்ப பிரமிப்பா இருந்தது. Mr. Usman and his company UFX, all the best for his wonderful launch of Imagine, and I wish the company a very big success in this product also.
உள்ள வந்தவனே பார்த்தேன் அந்த டாக் லைன் எண்ட்லெஸ் என்டர்டைன்மெண்ட், சூப்பர் டாக் லைன். ஏன்னா சினிமா ஒன்றுதான் எண்ட்லெஸ் முடிவில்லாத பொழுதுபோக்கு சாதனம், சந்தேகமே கிடையாது.
இது ஒரு பெரிய ஊக்கமா இருக்குன்றது அனைத்து சிறுபட தயாரிப்பாளர் சார்பில் யூஎஃப்எக்ஸ் குரூப்புக்கு இந்த மாலை பொழுதுல நான் நன்றியை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன்.
இது பார்த்தாக்க பிரமிப்பா இருக்குது. அதாவது இந்த வழக்க தேய்ச்சா பூதம் எல்லாமே கொடுக்கும், அது மாதிரி அந்த ஒரு கான்செப்ட்ல எல்லாமே இருக்குங்கிற மாதிரி அவங்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க.
வீட்டுக்குள்ளே இருந்து இனிமே படம் பார்க்கலாம், நம்ம கையில் அந்த கார்டு இருந்தால் போதும், என்ன படம் வேணுமோ பார்த்துக்கலாம், இடையில நிறுத்தி வச்சுக்கலாம், போய் டிஃபன் சாப்பிட்டு திருப்பி பார்க்கலாம். இப்படியெல்லாம் வீட்டுக்குள்ளேயே அங்கெல்லாம் வசதி இருக்கு. அந்த வசதியை இந்தியாவுக்கு கொண்டு வந்திருக்கிறார்கள். முதலாக யூஎஃப்எக்ஸை சேர்ந்த நண்பர் பியாஸ் அவர்கள்.
என்லெஸ் என்டர்டைன்மெண்ட், என்லெஸ் பிசினஸா இருக்கணும் உங்களுக்கு. ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் டு தி டீம்.
இவங்களுடைய விஷனரியை பார்த்து நிஜமாவே நான் பிரமிச்சு போறேன். ஹேட்ஸ் ஆஃப் டு யூ. உங்க டீமுக்கும் உங்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துங்கள்.